has indeed made herself available in the struggle towards women empowerment in political, economic, and educational spheres of the country for over 2 decades. In addition to her expertise in the women department, she is also a fellow of the National Institute of Public Relations. This is how much it shows the kind of person she is. She is indeed a strong member of the present administration and the leading political party. It is now my pleasure and honor to invite the Honorable Minister of Women Affairs and Social Development, Hajia Zainab Maina, to respond to these presentations. Honorable Minister.
أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم. The Permanent Secretary, Federal Ministry of Women Affairs and Social Development, my directors in the ministry, I don't know how to introduce His Excellency, my brother. When my PAMSEC was trying to introduce DG's meeting, Alhaji Muhammad Nayade Umar, I hope he is introducing him to the visitors and to the directors. Because to me, this is a brother. This is a strong political ally. We belong to the same political family. We belong to the same party, quite all right, but you know, in politics we have groups. And we are from the same zone. He is a brother, a real brother, whom I know very, very well for over 30 years. He's a good man, he's a very strong supporter of women. So I'm not surprised that he brought these visitors here. Because, in fact, he was one of the first visitors to my house to congratulate me when the appointment was announced. DG's Madam, Alhaji Muhammadu Nayade Umar, our very, very distinguished August visitors. I'm really very, very, very happy and very excited to receive you here today in this ministry. The ministry that represents the whole Federal Republic of Nigeria. This is the ministry that takes care of every man, especially and women. So when you are talking about women, you know, woman is the mother of everybody, the wife, the sister, and so on. We are very compassionate. It is our responsibility to look after everyone, and we are a bridge to peace. Very, very hard work. And we are also representing the disadvantaged, the vulnerable, the disabled group. So I welcome you here for this visit. I thank you very much. I am very happy that you come here with good news, and I really look forward to working in collaboration with this great team for women empowerment and, of course, youth empowerment. Because women and youth work together, we go together, we are partners all the time. Even when I was an activist, I was only president NCWS, but each time, anywhere at all I go, we carry youths along with us. because we are natural partners. We are the mothers. And in fact, I'm very happy because when I came in, the very day I was received in this meeting,